Coming up next on Trending Today, we meet Field Industries, NSS, and Priority Software. Let's go. Welcome to Field Industries, a one-stop shop for steel and alloy materials located in Houston, Texas. We are headed to meet the team behind this customer-centric operation.
Field Industries has always been about simplifying supply chain for our customers and making their jobs easier.
Field Industries serves as a one-stop shop. The relationships that we've established and maintained with our vendors allows us to not just sell one product line, but multiple products.
So we essentially make our customers' job easier. We do that by reducing their cost, reducing their purchasing complexity, and we're fast. We have constantly adapted with our customers' changing needs, and by doing so, we've been able to help them win more work. We simplify supply chain, and we do that better than anybody in the industry.
Field Industries and their products have been featured all over North and South America in a wide variety of industries, including energy, marine, construction, aerospace, and water. Their products can even be found in metal artwork and in restaurants like this one, where Field Industries has chosen to recognize two of their top performers with a special service award.
Priority Software is a leading ERP and business software provider with more than 30 years of experience. We have over 75,000 customers that are using our products. Our cloud platform helps businesses to have a better visibility for all of their business processes, which include finance and accounting, sales and CRM, purchasing, supply chain, manufacturing, customer service, and many more. As a cloud business software, our ERP is accessible from any device: PC, Mac, laptop, tablets, and smartphone. Our customers can use many apps that we created or just build their own apps to address their unique business needs, controlling sales orders, approving purchasing, or upload documents and photos from the field. And the best thing about it, you don't need to be a programmer to do it. Priority ideal users are the companies that need more advanced software to run their businesses. Workflows, better reporting, automation, and visibility. Priority is suitable for all sizes of businesses and industries. And we usually see customers that want to grow their business and need better tools to do it.
I'm Gisele Fritz. I'm the Vice President of Business Development for NSS International. NSS is a company based in Houston, Texas. We work for water treatment onshore and offshore.
NSS International is changing the industry by providing highly effective water treatment technology. The NSS system separates oil from produced water and recycles to standards suitable for fracking reuse, giving their partners immense advantages with this proprietary technology.